Ever wondered how your investment choices could reflect your personal values and contribute to a more sustainable world? Welcome to the fascinating realm of sustainable investing, a space where financial gains meet social responsibility. Here, it's not merely about the returns on your investments but also investing in enterprises that harmonize with your personal values and positively influence society and the environment. Sustainable investing isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. Sustainable investing has been gaining momentum in recent years. It's not just a buzzword or a niche strategy anymore. It's a growing trend that is reshaping the investment landscape. Over the past decade, we've seen a steady surge in the popularity of sustainable investing. In fact, in 2023 alone, investments in sustainable funds quadrupled compared to the previous year. This rise isn't happening by accident. Investors are increasingly recognizing the value of aligning their portfolios with their personal values and the broader societal goals. They're understanding that their investments can do more than just generate returns. They can also contribute to a more sustainable and responsible financial future. What's driving this shift? A growing awareness of the environmental, social and governance or ESG risks and opportunities. These factors have proven to be financially material, influencing long-term returns. More and more investors are realizing that by considering ESG factors, they're not just doing good, they're also doing well financially. Moreover, the pandemic has further underscored the importance of sustainable investing. It has highlighted the interconnectedness of our global economy and the need for resilience in the face of systemic shocks. As a result, investors are increasingly seeking out companies that are well-positioned to thrive in a more sustainable, resilient world. Sustainable investing isn't a passing trend, it's the future of investing. It's about recognizing that our financial decisions have real-world implications, and it's about leveraging our investments to drive positive change, while also securing a strong financial future. Let's take a closer look at a real-life example of the power of sustainable investing. Consider the story of Green Energy Innovations, a hypothetical company that's made a significant mark in the sustainable investing landscape. Green Energy Innovations is a company that specializes in renewable energy solutions, primarily wind and solar power. They've been on the market for a decade and have shown consistent growth, proving to be a strong contender in the sector. But their success isn't just measured in dollars. It's also evident in the positive impact they've had on our environment and society. Investors who put their money in Green Energy Innovations 10 years ago have seen impressive financial returns, but the gains go beyond their wallets. By investing in a company that prioritizes renewable energy, they've also played a role in reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to the fight against climate change. Their investment has helped Green Energy Innovations to fund research and development in renewable energy technologies, making them more efficient and affordable. This has led to an increase in the adoption of renewable energy, reducing carbon emissions and creating a healthier planet. But the positive impacts don't stop at the environment. Green Energy Innovations also places a high value on social responsibility. They provide fair wages and safe working conditions for their employees, contribute to local economies, and invest in education and training programs. This means that investors are not only earning financial returns, but they're also making a positive social impact. One might argue that the success of Green Energy Innovations is just one single story, but it's a powerful illustration of the potential of sustainable investing. It shows us that it's possible to achieve financial success while also making a positive difference in the world. So, when you're considering where to invest your money, think about the bigger picture. Sustainable investing isn't just about making money. It's about aligning your financial goals with your values and contributing to a more sustainable and responsible future. As you can see, sustainable investing can create a win-win situation for your portfolio and for the planet. So, what have we learned today about sustainable investing? We've discovered that this form of investing is on the rise, gaining traction worldwide as individuals and institutions alike recognize the power of aligning financial decisions with personal values. We've seen that sustainable investing isn't just about feeling good, it's about doing good too. It's about taking responsibility not just for our financial future, but for the world in which we live. We've looked at a case study that clearly illustrates the positive impacts of sustainable investing, showing us that it is entirely possible to build a robust portfolio while also contributing to a more sustainable world. Remember, your investment choices can reflect your values and contribute to a more sustainable world. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wise Wallet Wisdom for more financial insights. Stay tuned for more videos on how to make your money work for you and for the planet.